This is the Irontrader. The pitch just closed here at 2:30 about 10 minutes ago. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, first of all, we're going to start off here with a seasonality chart. Okay, so now let's just go right to where we are. We're basically right here in September. Okay, so when you look at this, you can see how this is going to rally up here real nice here to the end of the month. Okay, and now in October here, what you want to do is you either want to sell or you want to short all the way down here to the first week of December. Then we'll have a little sideways action, and then you want to have this buy along here into the end of the year. Because you look at the beginning of January, what do we have? Okay, then that's where you're selling. Okay, and then you can go short, basically sideways, and then you want to go long here at the end of February and rise it right on up here into your seasonality trade again. Okay, so that is your basically your crude seasonality chart. Now here we have crude, your daily chart. Wow, look at this. Okay. 89.64 is what the price channel is. Today, what do we hit? $90.50. Okay, right now the price is sitting real time about 90.22. Okay, so I told you been watch here, this candle here, 90.10. That was your first basically stop, basically at that $90 area. Okay, now it looks like you're closing above. So what do we want to do? We want to look to the left here again. Okay, so you're looking here at 91.35. Then we have 92.17, and you have 92.87, and then your big retest up here is 93.74. So you got a ways to go here. Yet, if it can keep on running, that is going to be a key. Now, again, and once we get over that, well, I have everything posted for you, so exactly where things will be going. Okay, so the upside looking very good. So let's just take a look here on the downside. Now, with all these green candles like this, these are all nice candles. You see how they're higher highs. Very, very good. And you're holding this key 8 SMA here. Okay, so that's what you want to look for. Now, again, if you get a scenario like what we have, like say right here, you have a green candle and say, oh, this is going to go higher. And then you get that red outside day candle. That is your first tell here that maybe this is going to be selling off here. Okay, just like here. But again, right now we don't have that, so you got to stay bullish and got to stay long here unless we get some kind of a red candle here where you have basically like a red dog. It goes higher, and a lot of people get suckered into that, and then she comes down and then finishes at the bottom, and then it tries to, but it only gets half of that candle the next day, and then boom, down she goes. Okay, and then once that 8-day rolls over, say goodnight, Irene, because now you're fighting it all the way on down. Okay, so let's just look at, you want to look at the bottom of today's candle. That's sitting at 88.68. Then we want to look at yesterday's candle, 88.29. And then we want to look at this key, 87.94. Now, if that is lost, we come right here, 87.22. The bottom of this one, 86.71. And then we have 86.15. Then look at this top of this candle here, 84.89. That was your breakout candle. That will be key support here. And then we just look to the top of this candle, 83.69. The bottom of this candle here, 83.46. And then your 21 at 83.50. Right now, everything is looking very good, but always watch for signs here of a reversal. Okay. But right now, you're looking good here. For me, I am just scalping it. I have a long position on. But until we see a reversal, then I will take that long position off. But I'm also scalping it every day on the long side only for right now. Now, if you look at your RSI here, you're way above your 70 mark. You're in overbought territory, but it just shows that crude is very, very strong here. Okay, there's no divergence. It's just nice and solid. Okay, your MACD, very, very good. Okay, so right now she's looking very, very nice. So again, just go to the left here, watch that key $90 area, and then watch right up here. This is your 93.74. That is going to be your next target here if it can keep on running. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. The daily and a weekly went to a weekly and a monthly. All right. So what we have here on the downside, just watch this key level here, 86.97. Your 8 SMA looks like it's trying to curl up here. Really nice, good action here. Looks to go much, much higher, okay? So what we want to do here is you want to look on your weekly chart here. Very, very nice. Look at how you're holding that 8 SMA here. You're above your 100 SMA here. Looking very, very bullish. So what you want to do is you want to look on the downside. Watch that key 21 SMA, 86.97. Watch this Hondo right here at 85.91. And then your key is going to be 83.83 as that thing runs up. If that's lost, then we come right down to your 50-day here. And then your 21 at 76.81. So again, don't get too complacent here. You know, crude right now is looking very, very good. You still got room to run here on your RSI here. Your MACD is looking very, very good. Now, what you want to do here is when we say, oh, I'm going to go to this candle right here. Okay, so that's basically the candle I've been pointing out here. That 93.74, this candle right here. Okay, now again, if that can get above, then what we do, we come to this candle here. So then you're looking at 95.05, and then we follow this candle here. You're looking at 95.76, and then we come to this candle here. You're looking at 97.66, and then we just keep following the candles up here. What do you have right there? 98.65, and then we have 199, and then you have 101.88. However, what you always want to do is watch the round numbers of 100 flat. That's always going to be key. Hard a lot of times to get resistance. So if you always want to look where it's going, you can do the Fibonacci. Yeah, that also works too. But I like just looking at the candles, go to the left of the chart here, and just follow. Because where the stock has been, commodity's been, is where it's usually going to go right back to. So just watch these candles here if you can close above this key 93.74. All right, let's take a look here at the old Natgas. All right, here we have the old Natgas. Okay, you're basically your seasonality chart. All right, let's just see where we are. All right, here we are, September here. So now you can see where Natgas is trying to get off the schneid. Okay, this is where is your buying opportunity here. Okay, and if you have a cold winter, you'll run right up into the October. Now, a lot of people like to try to take it to the end of the year here, but if you looked at the seasonality, this plays out pretty good. You always want to just sell it early, put it in your pocket. You can always short it. You can always trade it here. Very, very easy. But always watch the seasonality here where you had the big sell-off here all the way down, just like as usual. And then watch here for this nice buying opportunity here to run it into basically to the end of October. Okay, here we have Natgas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, we had that nice double top here yesterday. Boom, sold right on down. Held the key 200 SMA. That's why you trade the charts. And then rally right on up. 2.823. Very, very nice. Now, you stole right off here and you're coming down in about the middle of this lever. So what you want to do is you want to watch this 100 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.6, basically 2.67. And then you want to watch a retest of this 200-day sitting at 2.63 here. Here on the upside, you want to watch that 2.735. And then you're basically your 8-day at 2.745. And then your big, well, you want to come to here first, 2.77. And then we have 2.78. And then you have your retest of 2.82. Now, here on your 4-hour chart here, well, this is looking here. You know, as long as you keep on holding this here, you're looking pretty good because look what you have here. See, you have a series of higher lows. Always very good. Okay, so some people look at the chart, it's selling up. Well, not really, because as long as you're having that higher lows, you're doing very, very good. Okay, so what you want to do is watch this 21-day, 2.69, and then watch that 200 SMA here. Let me see if I can dial that in here. Yeah, okay, 2.65. And then on the upside here, you want to break that 2.82. That way we can come over here, test this one right here. This is 2.86, and then run right back up over here. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, your weekly is still looking really good. Okay, so you look at 2.65. That's your 8 SMA here, and your 21 SMA here sitting at 2.54. Natgas right now is sitting at 2.703. So right now you're above both that. Very, very good. Now, look at this candle here. Ooh, that's a topping tail. That's not good. Okay, so what is the high today? 2.8323. Okay, so always look to the left of your chart. What do we have here? Okay, that was your first thing. 2.83 right there, 2.82. Boom. See, that's your resistance level. And then if you can go above that, then we come to the top of these candles here, sitting at 2.863, which is basically up at that price channel. Okay, so you went up higher here, but now you're closing right here. You still only half the candle here, so you're doing really good. Now, again, if this goes lower here, then what you want to do is watch all this key support level. So you want to watch that 2.65 here. You want to watch that 2.63, and then you're basically 2.63. They're all kind of jammed right on up there, very, very tight. So that will be your key support levels here. And then basically what you want to do is you want to watch these candles right here. This is 2.77, 2.78, and then you want to watch 2.823. That was today's high, and then we have a run to 2.86. Now, if it can break out above this, don't look here. Look right to this 200-day first at 2.979. That will be the big thing. Now, again, if you can get above that, then we come over here to this 3.02, 3.018, and then we have your 50-day up here, that 3.46, and then 3.76 on your 200 SMA here. But right now, we just got to see how it plays out. You had a really nice double bottom here, and then you put it in a higher low, and then she had a run. So we got to just see how this is all going to shake out. You need to get above this double top here to run higher. All right, I'll have more for you on the old Crude and Natgas here tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock. Thanks for watching.